This is my 2001 Honda Civic that I'm getting rid of. It's for a very good reason. See, I'm not selling the vehicle, I'm actually donating the vehicle to a family that could certainly use it better than I could. It's going to be sad to see the Honda go, but I know it's going to be going to a good place. And she does start up, run and drive. And she's in really good condition. A little dirty, but still in really good condition. In my previous videos, I was saying how this Honda was just a cookie cutter. It was nothing special. It's got a 1.7 litre single overhead cam engine and honestly gets about 1,000 miles to a gallon. But it did what it's supposed to do. It drove me around, got me to work, had some fun in her. But this Honda is going to be taking out space for my other projects. So I decided to donate her instead of selling her. The Honda is going to go to somebody that can certainly use the Honda. That's why I'm not selling her, I'm donating her. I mean, for things like school, work, that kind of thing. It's a good car still. I'm going to miss her. Here she goes. She's getting towed away. She's going to go to a good home, guys. I'm actually happy I'm donating it. I didn't know the tow trucks had the arm thing that comes out. That's pretty cool. Damn, they got lifted up high. Holy cow. Oh, Jesus, cold. There she goes for the final time. Thank you, Honda, for everything you've done. You've been awesome. Well, the Honda is now gone. It's been a couple of days. It's a bittersweet moment. The emotions are starting to kick in. I kind of miss the Honda. The Honda was a really good car. In the beginning of the series, I purchased the Honda for $800. And when I purchased the Honda, the owner had disclosed that it had a blown head gasket. That's why it was so inexpensive. Fixing the cylinder head and cylinder head gasket costs around $400. So before anything else, I was $1,200 in debt, if you want to say, or out of pocket. Got that all fixed up, ready to go. The Honda drove beautifully. It was a really fun car to drive, especially when it's a 1.7 litre single overhead cam. I'm normally used to big engines like 5 litre V8s, V6s, stuff like that, turbo engines. So to drive a little 1.7 litre Honda, you rev the engine, and there's just no speed whatsoever. But once you start reaching that higher RPM, then you start picking up some speed, and honestly it's like a little go-kart. You turn and the car turns. It is that responsive. It's really a fun car to own. I have had Hondas in the past, but nothing like that. That was just a simple, straightforward, no thrills Honda Civic, and that's what Honda's all about. It's easy to work on. Hey brother, yes, you missed the Honda too? Me too. But I do know that it's going to be going off for a better purpose. I'm sure there's going to be a family or somebody that could use the Honda. I'm sure that there's a family or somebody that will be able to use the Honda a lot better than I did. The reason why I purchased the Honda is for gas economy, fuel economy, if you want to say. So in Michigan, fuel got up to about $3.80. I'm sure in other states it got up to a lot more, like $5, $6 almost. So I purchased the Honda to make a little bit of money, also to save me some money with the gas prices. Honestly, 5 litre V8 engines aren't the best fuel saving engines out there. The Honda got, I would say, it seemed like 1,000 miles to a gallon. It was that fuel economy. So it saved me quite a bit of money on gas and driving it around and stuff like that. So what I originally planned for the Honda is to do things like pizza delivery, stuff like that. Things that changed. So the way I'd use the Honda is just for helping people out. If they needed me to go pick up something, then I would gladly go do it. I mean, I've got the vehicle, why not? So I decided to help people. And then they started paying me back for my time and my fuel. I realized that I'd made about $250 from my time, fuel, stuff like that, that people, I would say, donated to me, which was really good. I greatly appreciate it. $800 for the Honda, $400 to get the head and cylinder and gaskets and all that kind of stuff back up and running. For alternator, oil, LED lights came to about $250. I'm just aiming up high for that kind of thing, but it was $800 for the Honda and $400 for getting the cylinder head and gaskets and all that kind of stuff all done. So I'm $1,450 in the hole, let's just say in the hole. Then I got $250 back for helping people, and then $1,250 out of pocket for the Honda at this moment. I then decided to donate the Honda to an organization that would sell the vehicle at Kelley Blue Book value, which Kelley Blue Book value for that car is between $850 to $1,260. So if I guess high, I would say that they sell the vehicle for $1,200, just saying for instance. That means that that $1,200 is then going to be a tax credit where I'll be able to claim that back at the end of the year. So instead of doing the 30% or whatever like that to get taxed, I get $1,200 back because of the tax credit, and it's a donation to a good organization. So therefore I'm in the hole for $50. But honestly, for $50, that Honda put a smile on my face. It was a great pleasure to drive that car, great pleasure to work on that car. So that gave me a good idea is on this channel, after I rebuild these cars, what I might do is, depending on the cost of it, I might actually donate it to a viewer or subscriber or somebody that really needs it, depending on the price. Now, if the vehicle is really expensive to repair, I'm going to sell the vehicle at cost. I'm not making any profits off the vehicle. What I want to do on this channel is, once I get monetized, which means I get money from YouTube, is I've got an income coming in. So I won't need to make money on these vehicles. So I'm going to sell them at cost or give them away, depending on what I do. But comment down below if you think that would be a really good idea for this channel. Yep, that's going to be the last time that we see that Honda on this channel, but it's not going to be the last Honda that I do on this channel. I do have other Hondas that I have in mind that I do want to rebuild on this channel. So guys, if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell when I release new videos. Comment down below, am I doing a good thing on this channel by giving away vehicles or selling them real cheap to you guys? Let me know down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. I want to get some feedback from you guys. Once again, if you guys enjoy this video, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell when I release new videos on crash damaged vehicles. Comment down below what you guys think, if I did a good thing on the Honda Civic. And I believe that it's going to be going to a real good home, let's just say that. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Take care. Bubba, your hair is everywhere, boy. Jeez.